Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. So today is week 2 check-in on my keto redoing journey. So I already did do my measurements. I'm pretty excited on how everything came out, guys. But pretty much I just want to give y'all like a rough through on how my week has gone from last week to this week. So as y'all do know, I am doing lazy keto, which means I'm not really measuring anything that I'm eating unless, of course, I'm following a recipe. I actually am having a dessert every night that is a keto dessert. And the way I do things is still the fact that I eat a bigger portion for lunch, a smaller portion for dinner, and then I'll have some kind of keto dessert just because I'm making them every night already since my husband is doing keto anyways. Well, I'm not always making them. Sometimes my daughter makes them too. So it's kind of a joint effort on making the dessert, guys. So other than that, everything like, I've been seeing some differences when it comes to how my clothes are fitting. Like my jeans aren't as tight around my hips anymore. My boobs finally have started going down and I can see it like whenever, you know, I'm getting dressed and everything. When it comes to my eating, like I said, not much has changed. I've kind of just been doing the same thing where I just watch what I eat and so forth. I still, nope, I'm not going to the gym, just to let y'all guys know that I don't have the time to go. I know that probably sounds like an excuse to anybody else out there that's like, well, why not? I don't have the time to go to the gym, so I don't go to the gym. But I do still take care of and watch what I'm eating. And as you'll see from my measurements, which I'm fixing to share, it has been working for me. So between last week and this week, my chest actually went down 1.11 inches. My waist went down 3.2 inches. My hips went down 1 inch. My left thigh went down 1.3 inches. My right thigh just decided to gain everything because I gained 10 inches in that thigh. But my weight is what I'm really thrilled and excited about, guys. Just for 1 week doing lazy keto, I actually have lost 12.2 pounds between last week and this week. So I'm really thrilled and excited about that, guys. Because, you know, like I said, I'm barely on week 2. I'm so close to where I was whenever I stopped doing keto a couple, like for that break I had in between. I'm about, what, let me see, 4 pounds away from being at where I was originally when I had stopped doing keto the first time. So I'm just really excited and really thrilled, and I just wanted to come on here and check in with you guys. I will be coming at y'all with some more how-tos on different recipes that I do, more eat with me throughout the day to give y'all some ideas. And if this is your first time meeting me, my name is Amanda, and again, this is Texas Mommy. And I hope that you choose to stay and go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and click the little notification bell as well. That way you'll be notified every single time that I go ahead and upload a video. And I hope all of y'all have a beautiful, wonderful, gorgeous day, guys. I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.